This biography is based on accurate research. Some images are illustrative due to copyright limitations. Every effort has been made to ensure the facts are truthful and inspiring. However, some visual materials may not directly show the actual events or people. They are included to help imagine the story. Stories like this deserve to be told with care and respect. The McDonald brothers' journey is one of innovation, dreams, and dedication. Their impact is great. We do not use technical terms or business jargon. The goal is to share their story simply for all to understand. This biography aims to inspire and inform, using facts to shape the narrative. Let's begin with the lives of two brothers who would change the way the world eats forever. Richard "Dick" McDonald and Maurice "Mac" McDonald were born in New Hampshire, USA. Their parents were hard-working immigrants from Ireland. The family did not have much, but they shared a strong work ethic and a deep sense of unity. The brothers grew up believing in honest effort and helping each other. Dick was the younger brother. He was creative, energetic, and always full of ideas. Mac, the elder, was steady and practical. He liked to plan carefully and think things through. Together, they balanced each other perfectly. Their personalities, though different, created a strong team. As children, they dreamed of a better life. They watched their parents struggle but never lose hope. The brothers learned early that success comes from working hard. Their parents' sacrifices inspired them to reach for more. They did not want to settle for ordinary. Growing up, Dick and Mac helped out wherever they could. They learned to fix things, save money, and make the most of what they had. These lessons would stay with them for life, shaping their path to greatness. After high school, the brothers moved west to California. The land of sunshine promised new beginnings. They tried many jobs at first, including working in movie studios, but they wanted something more. By the late 1930s, they saw that Americans loved to eat out, especially as cars became common. Their first restaurant venture was a small drive-in called McDonald's BBQ in San Bernardino. It opened in 1940. The menu had more than 25 items: barbecue sandwiches, peanut butter and jelly. It was busy, but the service was slow. Customers waited a long time for their food. The brothers watched and learned. Dick and Mac worked side by side. They greeted customers. They flipped burgers. They washed dishes. They paid attention to what people liked and disliked. They noticed that most customers ordered the same few things: hamburgers, fries, drinks. This simple fact sparked a big idea. The brothers realized that success meant giving people what they wanted: fast, tasty, and affordable meals. They began to dream of something better, something faster. In 1948, Dick and Mac took a bold step. They closed their restaurant for 3 months to reinvent it from top to bottom. When they reopened, things looked very different. The menu was now simple: hamburgers, cheeseburgers, fries, shakes, drinks. There were no more car hops, no more slow service. Instead, they welcomed customers to walk up and order. The real magic was behind the counter. The brothers invented the Speedee Service System. It was like an assembly line for food. Each worker had one job, like grilling burgers or adding ketchup. The food was ready in just 7 minutes. This was unheard of at the time. Customers were amazed. They could get a hot meal quickly, every time. The food tasted great, and it cost less than at other restaurants. The small kitchen ran like a well-oiled machine. The brothers' system made fast food truly fast, and customers kept coming back. This 7-minute revolution changed everything. It set a new standard for restaurants everywhere. The McDonald brothers had invented the future of fast food. Dick and Mac always worked as a team. Dick was the idea man. He dreamed up new ways to improve the kitchen and make things faster. Mac was the steady hand, making sure everything worked smoothly. They trusted each other completely. The brothers wanted more than just a busy restaurant. They dreamed of a new kind of eating experience. They believed that everyone should enjoy quick, tasty meals in a clean, friendly place. They imagined families all over America eating together after a long day. Their dream was simple, but powerful. In 1954, a man named Ray Kroc visited the brothers' restaurant. He sold milkshake machines for a living. He was amazed by how many machines the brothers used. When he saw the Speedee Service System in action, he saw huge potential. Ray believed McDonald's could become a national sensation. Ray offered to help the brothers expand. At first, things went well. New McDonald's restaurants opened in many places. Ray worked on growth, Dick and Mac focused on quality, but soon, conflicts appeared. Ray wanted to move faster, make bigger changes. The brothers worried about losing control of their ideas. The partnership became tense. Ray and the brothers disagreed on important decisions. Ray pushed for more power. In 1961, the brothers decided to sell their part of the business to Ray. They kept the original restaurant, but McDonald's was now in Ray Kroc's hands. It was a hard ending for the brothers. Dick and Mac McDonald may not have become household names, but their ideas shaped the world. The fast, friendly service they invented is now part of daily life for millions. Their Speedee Service System became the model for fast food everywhere. Today, McDonald's serves millions of people in over 100 countries. The brothers' dream was simple. They wanted to make life easier and make meals more joyful for families. They showed that hard work, teamwork, and imagination can change the world. Their humble beginnings remind us that great ideas can come from anywhere. The McDonald brothers' legacy lives on in every burger and in every smile at the counter. Their 7-minute innovation truly changed fast food forever. Their story is proof that ordinary people can do extraordinary things.